How to link debit card in Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your device and access Zelle through your bank's mobile app. Next, tap on the settings or profile section in the app. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. After that, select Add Bank Account or Add Debit Card depending on your app interface. Now enter your debit card information including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Then verify your card by following the prompts, which may include a temporary authorization charge or a confirmation code sent to your email or phone number. Once the verification is complete, your debit card will be linked to Zelle, allowing you to send or receive money immediately. Remember to double-check your card information for security purposes. Now you know how to link a debit card in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance and banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.